Or it's cold outside, so I have to make this video very brief. The other memory card I had was having issues, so this is a new video. This is going to be a test video with my brand new camera. This is the Canon Vixia RF800 or HR800, something along those lines. This is going to be a quick low light test video. Go ahead and zoom in on that tree over there. And even though it's pretty much pitch black over there, it's you can see that tree fairly well. You can definitely tell it's a tree, which is kind of impressive. And you can see the edges of the houses over there too, and the house that tree, the property of the house the tree is planted on. That is my swing set right there. And you can see the snow in the yard, which is kind of cool. Look at some of the other houses in the neighborhood. And a look up at the sky, which you can't see anything, but I guess that's to be expected. And that's going to be it. This camera is not half bad.